Hey beauties, it's Paula and it is the season of love and it's our first collection of 2022. Meet Love Me More. Stay tuned and we'll get to know it a little bit better. Here she is, here's Love Me More. It's our very first collection of the year, but it's also our Valentine's Day inspired collection. And this one's all about loving yourself or getting someone to love you a little bit more. That's fine too, right? And it's our full set. It's $49 and it includes our new highlighter, X's and Glows. So here's X's and Close, up close and personal. This one is very similar to all of the lights. It has 4 glows, but this time we have a shade for all skin tones in here. And you can also mix them all together to make your own kind of custom highlight. And of course, you can use them in the eyes as well as shadows or like pops of color. And I'm gonna use mine right now. So I already did my look for today. I have a little glow in the eyes and a little bright pink cheek for Valentine's Day. All right, so I like to use Pink Bliss, Peppermint, and Soho for my highlight. I like to skip gingerbread, but that's okay, you can add it. Just swirl them all together like that, just go back and forth. And I like to finish with Pink Bliss, the deeper shade on the top. And then we just drag it on the cheekbones. Bring it forward. Ooh, she is so nice. The great thing about this is that you can make your own glow. You can skip 2, put 2 together. There's like so many combinations. It's like math. And I like to put it above my temples with what's left over, a little bit across my nose, my lip, and my chin. And that's it. And don't forget, once again, you can use these as eyeshadows too. So you'll use all the colors in here, no matter what skin tone you are. Before we move on to lipstick though and get into the new LOML and 143, I want to just put a little bit of blush I have sitting pretty here because I like my blush and my highlight to melt together. And so I just like to go over a little bit again with a little bit of blush just to make sure I have the most seamless blend and it doesn't look just like a nice line of highlighter there. Here is the lovely LOML. So LOML is a nice pink neutral nude, and I'm gonna pair it with chestnut. So here we go. Just a light lining of chestnut, just to deepen the outer lip area. It's time for LOML. And I just blend it in, and there we go. So if you've ever had a beeper, which I don't know who has. Just kidding. I did not have a beeper. I definitely had a cell phone first. If you had a beeper, then you used to text the code. This Shaq's upset because she had a beeper.
I most certainly did.
So you've sent someone the 143. People used to do it on their calculators at school. So 143 is a pinky peach that can be used as a topper, or you can put it right on top of your lips. It's in our Flexi Slick formula. Which is a hybrid. It leaves the pigment of a liquid lipstick with the wear of a lipstick, but it's long lasting as well. And I'm gonna just put this right on top of my LOML for a little bit of shine. Here's the combo of LOML and 143 together and all of that glow from X's and Glows. Aren't those cute names? I just love those names. All right, beauties, thanks for hanging out with me. Here's Love Me More and getting to know it a little bit better. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Give yourself a little more love and give love to somebody else as well. And if you want, like, comment, or subscribe to our channel. Bye.